Find the weight of 125 meter copper wire with diameter 4 millimeter if 1 cubic centimeter copper weighs 8.4 gram. The radius will be 2 millimeter and in centimeter it is 0.2, as 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Length of wire we are considering as a height, that is 125 meter and centimeter 12500. Since copper wire considered as a cylindrical form, so volume we will find out by pi r square h formula. Now focus on the calculations. Decimal remove 100. This will be cancelled. 22, 224, 4 into 125, 500 upon 7. And the physics we know that density is equal to mass upon volume. So we'll use this concept, mass is equal to density into volume, and density of copper wire given in the question 8.4 gram per cubic centimeter. Volume we found 500 upon 7. 7 means 7, 7 to the 14. By multiplying it is coming 13200 gram. So we can convert into the kilogram by dividing 1000. So it will be 13.2 kilogram. So mass of the wire of length 125 meter is 13.2 kilogram.